Music AI is one of the most exciting new technologies in music production today. Whether you're a musician, content creator, or simply someone looking to enhance your music experience, this software is designed to revolutionize the way you create, produce, and even understand music. In this review, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know about Music AI. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end to see how it can completely transform your workflow. First off, Music AI isn't just about generating random tunes or beats. It's built to enhance and streamline your creative process. Whether you're a professional producer or just starting out, this tool offers something for everyone. But what really sets it apart, it's the level of customization. Unlike some other music generating tools, Music AI allows you to input specific genres, moods, and even instruments, letting you create tracks that perfectly match your vision. It's not random, it's personal. Next, let's talk about how easy it is to use. Even if you have no prior experience with music production, Music AI makes it approachable. The interface is user-friendly, and in just a few clicks, you can start generating high-quality music. This could save you hours, if not days, of composing from scratch. For seasoned musicians and producers, it can still serve as an incredibly valuable tool to speed up your creative process. The ability to quickly test out different ideas means you can experiment without wasting time. Another game-changing feature is the software's ability to collaborate with other tools you may already use. Music AI integrates smoothly with popular DAWs, digital audio workstations, which means you can import and export your work seamlessly. This opens up a world of possibilities for both beginners and pros who are looking to add AI-generated elements into their current projects. Now, let's discuss the sound quality. Music AI uses advanced algorithms that produce music that sounds incredibly professional. Whether you're generating background scores for videos or creating full tracks, the output is impressive. I've tested a lot of AI music software, and I can confidently say that the sound quality here is top-notch. If you've been disappointed by other tools in the past, this one might change your mind. One of the standout features is its ability to analyze and adapt to different genres. It doesn't just create generic loops. It understands the nuances of genres like jazz, hip-hop, electronic, and classical, and can tailor the music accordingly. This gives you a huge range of options without ever feeling like you're settling for something bland or repetitive. If you're someone who's always on the go, the cloud-based aspect of Music AI will be a huge advantage. You don't need to be tied to a specific machine. Whether you're on your laptop, tablet, or even mobile device, you can access your projects from anywhere. This flexibility is a huge plus for anyone who needs to create on the move. Finally, the pricing. You can try Music AI for completely free right now, and that's the best part. The developers have made it so you can get a taste of everything this software has to offer before committing. If you like what you see, and I bet you will, there are various paid plans that give you even more power and options. But the free version gives you a pretty robust set of features to play around with. Before you go, if you're interested in the best AI tools for music production or other fields, I've linked my top recommended software in the description. After trying out thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust and use myself. Check out the link below to see how Music AI, along with my top picks, can make your workflow easier, faster, and more creative.